Completely renovated pool home with lake view from the Lanai covered pool and spa. Grand entrance to open floor plan. The new kitchen features double-sized granite island with seating, tile backsplash, open shelving and range hood. The living room and sitting area boast volume ceilings, view of pool and lake, huge TV, wet bar with wine refrigerator. Master ensuite offers spa-like feel with large custom tile shower, soaking tub and double vanity plus walk-in closet. The den or possible third bedroom currently has pull-out sleeper, wardrobe chest where the closet was, seating area and has pocket doors directly off the kitchen area. The guest suite features a window seat, fits the king-sized or two twin bed set with tile bathroom across the hall. There is luxury vinyl throughout except baths. Private Equity Club $85,000 to join features 2 golf courses, 3 marinas, fitness facility, 9 Harbour tennis courts, pickleball.